Hey everybody, I'm so excited because we are here today at Ballet Palm Beach and this totally encompasses everything I'm talking about. Here we go.
Men from the corner, sous entrechat 6. Sous entrechat 6. Okay? Tombe, pas de bourrée, step over, fifth double tour. All right? Tombe, pas de bourrée, glissade, ton ciseau. Tombe, pas de bourrée, pirouette to the knee. Pirouette to the knee, not the tour, pirouette. Sous entrechat 6. Sous entrechat 6. Tombe, up, fifth double tour. Tombe, pas, ton ciseau. Tombe, pas de bourrée, pirouette to the knee. Ready, gentlemen? Do you have it? Aron, go by yourself. Let me have the 2 and then 1 because it's a little crowded. Ready? And sous. Good. Hold. Tombe, pas de bourrée, glissade. Up. To the knee. 1. Yeah, where's the ton ciseau? You forgot which leg? Oh. 1, 2. And pirouette to the knee. Pirouette. Tendu pirouette. Cease. Just pirouette to the knee. That's all.
Okay, I'm doing pop from the left.
Huh? Stay in the corner. Start in the corner. 5, 6. And up. Okay. Sous. Good, nice ceases. Tombe, pas de bourrée, step over. 5th tour. Pirouette to the knee. 1, 2, 1. Pirouette. 1, 2, 3. Finish. I'll let you get away with it today. Come on, finish it.
If this is your first time to the channel, we would love it if you subscribed. This channel is all about helping you dance better. This is both for you teachers and students. Again, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.